Hey, so you guys seen it, man. Kobe's Day is here, August 24th. And you guys already know Nike hit us with that shock drop on the Nike SNKRS app for select couple of Kobe's that they did drop. We gotta talk about how trash it honestly was. Let's just be real in today's video, man. What's going on, YouTube? Thanks for tapping into another video. You guys already know it is always greatly appreciated when you guys pull up. Come chop up with your boy, The Vintage. And real quick, before we get any further in today's video, go ahead and let us know down below in the comment section who all hit on a pair of Kobe's today. It was very, very limited sizes, which is probably the main topic we're gonna hit on today about this Kobe Day restock. If you guys are new to the channel right now, what I need you to do, man, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please give a huge like on today's video, man. You guys already know the goal for every single video is 500 likes. So go ahead and smack that like button real quick for your boy. So YouTube, you guys enjoying the content, and it'd be greatly appreciated. All right, guys, like I said, man, we got the Kobe's Day restock, and a lot of people, when we first got the rumors, said it wasn't happening. People said it's cap, but you guys got to trust these sources, man. Like you got to put past, you know what I'm saying, the past. Like you got to get with the new. A lot of people know this information based off of, you know, people they connected with strictly from Nike, some other high, you know, notable, you know, reliable sources that we try to put you guys on. So y'all can't just call cap before it actually happens. I dropped this video a couple days ago talking about this restock happening, but from my understanding, it was going to be a sneakers pass in LA, which is going to be even more limited than what we've seen today on the SNKRS app. So for the 4 Kobe's we did get today was the Kobe 6 Grinches. You guys see it right here. Kobe 4 Pro-Tro GGs, Kobe 6 Mamacita Sweet 16s, and of course the Kobe 5 Undefeated Hall of Fames. All super dope. And of course your boy The Vintage took nothing but L's, man. So your boy still has no Kobe's in the collection. That's what kind of leads me to discussion today. Is Nike doing a good job as far as dropping sneakers that people really want? Like, I do not have any Kobe's now. All the Kobe's I did have, I've hooped in them, worn them through, and I can't rock them no more. I never had a pair of the Grinches, and the Grinch is probably one of the best Kobe's to ever drop, you feel me? That's just my honest opinion. And I ain't trying to be selfish. I ain't trying to be, you know what I'm saying, like I deserve everything. But them Kobe 6 Grinch is something I was really eyeing for today. And of course, I didn't take not but 1, not 2, not 3, but 4 L's your boy The Vintage took today on all these Kobe's. Super limited stock. I'm gonna put like a little screenshot up here if I can find it. But it was like 36 pairs in some sizes, 10 pairs in some sizes. So very, very extremely limited drop for this Kobe's Day restock. But something else I wanted to mention in today's video was SNKRS Day that we will be getting next month, September the 9th. We could potentially see another pair of Kobe's on that restock as well. I wouldn't put it past Nike. They seen how trash this one went. And I'm not saying this trash because, like I said, I took an L, but there was a lot of people that took L. They only dropped a select few amounts of pairs of each 4 of these Kobe's, man. So it'd be really nice if we got a Kobe 6 Grinch in there, you feel me? That would be dope because, like I said, I'm not paying $700 for a pair of these Kobe Grinches. It's just not happening, even though I really do want them, man. So again, let me know down below in the comment section if you hit on any of these Kobe's today. I know it's gonna be a lot of people tapping in today's video, seeing who actually did hit, so please don't cap. Let us know if you got an honest W down below in the comment section. You guys already know if I get any more information about restock, shop drops, exclusive access, or anything, I will be dropping it on the channel. So like I said, I already mentioned the SNKRS Day restock. You already know we're gonna be live in full effect that day, so we can see everything that happens. It was pretty interesting how they did today, drop it at 8:24 Pacific Standard Time AM. And I just want to see how they're going to do the releases for SNKRS Day. They're going to drop it all at once, do like a draw, or stagger the releases towards, like, you know, a couple shoes every hour for a couple hours. I don't know how they're going to do it, but when I get that information, I'm definitely going to, you know, drop them gems for the Vintage Squad, man. Let's go ahead and jump into this package real quick. I've been holding off for a minute just because I honestly didn't know which ones it is. I hit on a couple of different pairs. You guys should know about the tape. This is from Yeezy Supply. So let's go ahead and get into this thing, man. All right, let's go ahead and pop this open real quick. You guys see what we got? Y'all see it, man? Yes, sir. Like I said, I've been under the weather for a couple of days, and now we finally have another pair of Yeezy slides, man. You guys see? Gonna read the official colorway. This is the, how you say that? Slight Marine. I don't even know official name is what this colorway is. You guys can let me know down below in the comment section, but let's go ahead and pop them open real quick. Open up, and yeah, man, here we go. Check them out. Another pair of Yeezy slides in the collection. You guys know I rock Yeezy slides almost every single day. So this is kind of a need for your boy. Now I have the black pair, have the cream pair. I think I said brown already. And now we have these bad boys right here, man. And I actually did hit on another pair of Yeezys, so you guys stay tuned. Probably the best Yeezys to restock within the last couple of days, man. Stay tuned. So yeah, man, I appreciate all the support. It's a quick little video. Want to come in here and chop it up. Your boy been gone a couple of days, so I've been under the weather. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, but I'm feeling a lot better today. So I want to come on here, chop it up, see who all we helped when we dropped the video about the first, Kobe's Day restock. And hopefully we do get some dubs, down below in the comment section. So go ahead and subscribe right now to the channel if you're new. Hit the notification bell for your boy. Leave a huge like. Like I said, we want to get this up to 500 likes. You guys already know all my social media links will be down below in the description box. And with all this being said, man, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace.